So 7/8 socket right there, if you can see it. Try not to use a 22 millimeter socket because it fits kind of loose. It will work, but it's better if you can use a 7/8 because it fits correctly. And that's the same thing that fits on the lugs. So let me just pull those off real quick. This is the way you take that center cap off. All the prying and everything you do on these plastic caps won't do anything but just break them and cause damage. Don't pry around here. Don't pry on the little caps. Just unscrew them and the whole cover comes off with it, just like that. You'll notice that in here there's threads down in here. On the outside of your lug, the factory lugs is threaded. So that's what holds this on. So you just put them on, and they're not popped in or anything, held tight. All that holds it is those little plastic lugs screwed onto your regular lug nuts. It uses the same socket, which is a 7/8 socket, and you can tighten those up and that center cap will come on. Now this one's got one missing. I'll pick one up at the scrap yard or something. I might just replace them all to get them looking better. These are pretty old.